From smashes and super crashes to explosive moments of mayhem, Caught on Dashcam brings you some of the very best and most shocking moments from the world of driving. From rogue animals to dastardly drivers to those split-second smashes that are bound to keep you up at night, we've got it all. So if you've got a maxophobia, this probably isn't the show for you. Feeling brave? Then strap yourselves in and let's start the engine. This is Caught on Dashcam Short Trips. Oh, and don't worry, nobody dies or gets seriously injured, even if it looks like they come close. Like really close. Driving fails. Wow, this place is so wet. But seriously, folks, can we talk about parking brakes? They're pretty useful if you leave your ride in gear and then it does this. And as the driver takes off in pursuit, these guys are like, so I guess we're not getting our water this week? Maths is useful for a lot of things, like figuring out if your truck is too tall for the barrier. Sorry to be a heightist, but you're too big for this ride. If only he took the other lane. Luckily, nothing was inside except his hopes and dreams. You just finished your shopping and you're on your way home, but you have that feeling you're forgetting something. Just going to quickly pop back and oh gosh darn it. Big city, big truck, tight corners is a recipe for carnage, as you can see here. Cruncheroo goes the streetlight, as this large lorry just wants to get the hell out of Brooklyn. The trucker quickly destroys this hood like a 90s rapper, although with much less flair. It's one of those days where you just want to go home, slip on them jammy pants, and wash away the day. But in the fatigue and confusion, you hit the gas, not the brakes, and now those jammy pants are looking further away. On the positive, his neighbors don't have to worry about going out today. Not all superheroes wear capes. This hero spots a drifting driverless truck and Hulk hands his way to stopping it with sheer force. The owner of the red SUV must be happy, but not as happy as this dumbass driver who forgot the parking brake. Maybe he was just having a bad day, or maybe he's just a big old dunderhead as he backs his truck into another truck. Some jobs aren't for some people, just saying. Just because you put stickers on your car doesn't mean it performs any better. They're stickers. There is an important sticker inside that says don't submerge engine in water, or there should be. His flash ride conks out in the puddle. If only there was some warning sign. Gotta hurt when the cheaper car just blows past and he has no stickers. What a lovely place to live. The real joy of living here is how often you can get hit by car doors. The first moped rider tries to take a cheeky sneak past this van, but oops, an open door sends the rider sprawling. The driver gets out to investigate and boom, there goes the second bike. Whoops, they did it again. It seems like an easy thing to give way, but others aren't so clever at it. No, not forward, where you... How the... Apparently the cars in Spain roll mainly on the plane. One of the reasons that driver tests include the parallel parking element is that it's an essential part of driving. So is being able to back into a spot, which is way easier, right? Not for Chuckle Punt here and his bozo buddy, who just can't seem to get the hang of the back in. They even try to push the car in, which is wildly overestimating their strength potential. Humble much? It's not moving, because this is real life. Crushed by the reality of their own idiocy, they do what true idiots do. They park like idiots. Know what you're thinking? Shouldn't the dash cam be facing the road, or is this guy live streaming to his Only Cabs trucker account? All seems to be going well until he starts searching for that lost lunch. There it is. Just gonna unbuckle, grab the Tupperware, and good golly, uh-oh. He tries to regain control, and next thing you know, he's floating! Not a good float. Check it out from his cab angle. You know he's gonna try to blame whoever made him that lunch. That's all we've got time for today, folks, but never fear, as we'll be back again with another set of rip-roaring dashcam clips. Don't forget to subscribe down below and visit us to find out how your clips could be featured in a future episode.